Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by granting Snapchat precise location access. This is essential. Open the app and pinch the camera screen to reveal Snap Map. Once done, make sure your map layer is set to Map or Heat Map so you see nearby activity. You should also confirm Ghost Mode is off if you want others to find you, and vice versa. These first steps let Snapchat show people near you, so do them now and proceed to searching and adding. Once the map displays people nearby, tap a Bitmoji or user icon to open their profile and see how you're connected. You can tap Add Friend to send a request, or send a short snap or chat to introduce yourself. This increases acceptance. Make sure to scan Quick Add Suggestions and the Nearby feature, which lists others with location sharing enabled. If you find groups or events on the map, use those hubs to add multiple local contacts quickly and organically. To finish, review privacy settings so you control who sees your location and stories. Adjust ghost mode or duration as needed. If people don't appear, try toggling location permission, updating Snapchat to the latest version, and restarting your phone. These fixes resolve most sync problems. If you still can't connect, ask nearby people to exchange snap codes or usernames directly so you can add them manually. That last step avoids reliance on live.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.